Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer, and today I'll show you how to equip multiple accessories in Roblox. I'll guide you through the whole process, step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Roblox mobile app and go to the avatar section, then tap Customize because this is where you normally manage all your outfits and accessories on mobile. It helps you see what items you are currently wearing. Step 2, if you don't have the app, open your mobile browser and go to the Roblox website. This allows you to access the same avatar tools directly through the web version. Step 3, log in and tap the 3 lines, then go to the avatar section on the Roblox website, which takes you to your full avatar editor. This is the place where you can adjust items beyond mobile limitations. Step 4, request the desktop site by using the AA icon or 3 dots on the bottom and select desktop site. This is important because the advanced accessory options are only visible in desktop view. Step 5, select the accessory you want to add and open its page, then copy the link or note the ID. This ID is what allows you to equip extra accessories beyond the normal limit. Step 6, go to the advanced option in the avatar editor and paste the accessory ID, then save it. This lets you add the item without removing your other accessories. Step 7, repeat the steps to add more accessories such as hats, face items or back accessories using the same process each time. This allows you to stack as many items as you want. Step 8, save your outfit with a new name to make sure your accessories stay applied. Saving helps prevent the items from resetting later. Step 9, reopen the Roblox mobile app to confirm the accessories are saved and active. Once it loads, you'll see all your equipped items working together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer.